everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. So yay, look what finally arrived. Super late in the month. This here is the December 2024 Allure beauty box. This is a $25 a month beauty subscription. If you sign up for or pay for like 3 months at a time, 6 months, or a whole year, you do get a discount. And if you are curious about signing up, I do have a friend referral code in my description box. All right, this box does come with a pamphlet that will describe all of the products and list the prices. By the way, this box comes with 6+ products, 3 of which are guaranteed to be full size. And several times throughout the year, Allure will let you select either a product or the shade of a product, and they've been doing that a lot recently. This month it has one of those products where you got to select the shade, and I think I did a boo-boo selection. We will find out. All right, the first item in this box, we have something from Grown Alchemist. This is the Hydra-Restore Day Cream. Yay, I've been wanting to try a new day cream. I have so many night creams, but I'm like, where are all the day creams? So let's take a look. It's going to be a metal tube. Yeah. So this brand always, their products are always in like a metal tube. Okay. Let's see what that retails for. And I'm going to assume that is one of the full size products. Yep. This is 65 ml and it retails for $50. So for a $25 a month box, the first product or within one product, the value has already doubled. All right, next item. What do we have here? This is from a brand called True Soft, and it is argan oil. I'm gonna assume that's for your hair. Can you tell I don't do stuff with my hair if I don't even know what argan oil is? All right, so this is actually Maria NILA True Soft argan oil. So the full size is 100 ml and retails for $39.90. I wonder if this is British and they've converted. This here is a 30 ml sample or travel size. So something will have been on screen to let you know what that value is. All right, well, not the best product in the world just because I don't do stuff with my hair. All right, next product, we have something from PAUME. PAUME, what are you? This is a renewing hand serum. Ooh, my hands are so dry. I wash them all the time. What's a hand serum? Is it going to be more liquidy? Yeah, it's not quite. Well, yeah, that is a serum. Does it have a scent? Not really. If anything, there's barely there. Maybe some kind of citrus or nothing. Interesting. I've tried numerous hand creams, but I've never heard of a hand serum. Okay, what does that retail for? Shut up. $42? Are you 60 ml? Yep, this is the full size. That's a $42, I don't even call it a hand cream. Hand serum. Wow. All right, next item. We have a tiny little box here. What are you? All right, you're something where I'm going to need my little friend. This is the INNISFREE Daily UV Defense Mineral Sunscreen. Broad Spectrum SPF 45. I love getting SPFs in beauty subscription boxes. Ooh, she's tiny. All right, well, maybe you'll get 4 to 5 days worth. But yeah, INNISFREE, I want to say, is K-Beauty. I've seen them on Yes Style before. All right, the next item is even smaller. What are you? Oh, SEPHORA? Wait, what? This is the Vitamin C plus E Super Glow Serum from Sephora, like the store Sephora. Okay, Sephora, are you trying to pimp out your brand there? I guess so. All right, and then the last product is the one where I got to select a shade. This here is from Tarte, and this is the Maracuja Juicy Lip Cream. And my mistake was I selected, and then I went to the site to see what the shade was. And I got a peachy pink, and I think there was one that was mauve that was more pink. I don't know. Hopefully this will work out and not be too dark. Okay, so this one you twist, you don't click. I'm wondering if that's always how this is or if it's a slightly different product than, you know, because they put it in a box. I don't know. That's interesting. Let me know if you've tried this. I swear these things all clicked up, but Maybe that's a different Maracuja Juicy. Where did my mirror go? All right, here it is. Let's put it on top of lip product. I know, not the best, but I figured with my orange eye look, maybe. Yeah, she's a bit orange, but I can make it work. By the way, the Tarte Maracuja Juicy whatever lip product this is retails for $26. All right, let's recap everything that came in the December 2024 Allure Beauty Box. I got the Sephora Collection Super Glow Serum with vitamin C and E, the INNISFREE Daily UV Defense Mineral Sunscreen, the NILA True Soft Argan Oil, the Grown Alchemist Hydra-Restore Day Cream, the PAUME Renewing Hand Serum, and the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip Cream. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, not the worst box, but I've received better, but I got my value. This $26 lip product paid for the box, and then a $50 day cream. I wish the SPF was full size. Instead of this weird serum hand cream, I don't know, I've only used it once, but I kind of like something a little more emollient on my hands. Let me know if you use argan oil. Is this for your hair? I guess I could have read the booklet, but I didn't want this video to be 18 hours long. What does it say? Yep, it's for your hair. All right, I guessed correctly. Sephora. We've gotten products from Sephora. Was it in Allure or was it in a Walmart box? I want to say Allure. I just find that interesting that Sephora is pimping out their skincare products. Pimping out. Whatever. Putting them in beauty boxes. Very interesting. But leave me a comment and let me know if you've tried any of these products, and if so, what your thoughts are. All right, I'm going to list the MSRP total value. Value is more than just the dollar amount, although it is nice to get more than what you spent, but also you need to enjoy and like the products. But now I'm curious to hear what your thoughts were on this box, if you got the box, and if so, did you pick a different shade of that Tarte lip product? All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a big favor, clicking the thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.